Alright, this is called the releasing of the alpaca. With 2 babies. Aha! Freedom! Through the floodgates. Go on, go on, go on. There's a little fluffy baby. Oh my god, it is so cute. Oh, we got 2 more. Francis! They're holding everybody up. Get out. Get out, Francis. That's right, Francis. Now I shall go frolic with you. See them running way over there? It's called running the gauntlet. Go, little fluff balls. On to thy forests of flowers. Run your little legs. Tiny babies. Jump. Chew. Flowered hills. That's it. I'm gonna gallop. If you can gallop, I can gallop. Where are we going? Where are we going? Guys, everybody else is way over there. I'm guessing they're going to the watering hole. Oh, good Jesus. I'm in big ass boots, running. What has my life become? I hope no one throws up while watching this video. Oh my god, I'm getting winded. What am I, 30 years old? I'm too young. I'm too young. I must discover where the alpaca go. Okay, I'm okay. This is my Corona, attire during these days of virus, and they're saying 100,000 people in the US could perish, cease to exist in this dimension, and their current flesh bodies, their meat suits. It's crazy. It's weird times. Weird times a brewing. But out here in California with the alpacas, yeah, it's a little different than the normal world. This is a good place to be quarantined. Oh my god, I found them. I discovered what they do. How do I get down there? Jesus, everybody. You really like water, don't you? Look, I can get a bird's eye view from right here. This is mildly erotic. They're just completely submerging themselves. The baby jumped in. It's going down. It's an odd life out here. I love the grass, the vibrancy of the grass. They're like clouds. The little baby's so cute. Okay, these guys are weird. It is hard to keep up with wild alpacas. Good thing I have these shoes on. I can walk in water. Amazing inventions these days. Well, this is the creek. on my parents' land. It's very beautiful. It's only here half of the year, and therefore it is named Dry Creek. That's a rib. Yep, that's a rib. This is a spring. It's just carved in there. We're gonna go into the depths of the spring. It's like Fern Gully. It's crazy. So then it comes out. I used to put this mud all over me. It's very good mud. My friends and I would come down here and slather each other up, let it dry in the sun and cake off, take a nice shower. Very good mud bath. I love that tree. So beautiful. And there's the last scene you'll see before I end this incredibly odd video of alpaca life. First I'll show you some bones of some alpaca who've passed away due to mountain lions. That's a pelvis. There's a spine, vertebrae, ribs. So these ribs are small for alpacas. That one in the creek is probably a cow, I'm guessing. And then beautiful flowers are all over the hillsides out here in the springtime. The grasses have flowers of all colors. There'll be hills of blue and hills of white. Here is another spring. There's like 3 of them going up this hill. Yep. And that's the farm.